I'm glad to have you here. Can you tell us a little bit about who you are, your experience in real estate, what you hear, your experience with it?
Oh, sure, Pedro. Thank you very much for having me. It's my honor to be here. So, I'm a real estate investor. I invest in long term rental properties. I've been doing that for over 20 years. I've been mostly acquiring properties through the Burr method, even though when I got started, there was no acronym quite yet. That's how long ago it was, but that's how I acquire most of my properties. Now, also, I'm a loan officer that does residential mortgages. So I'm actually in an industry, my regular W-2 job, that helps me be a better real estate investor. So I have two jobs that are around real estate, and both of them help complement each other.